blast. So people taking to Twitter to express the gravity of the situation. Now, the actual crisis took place, the attacks took place in Abuja, as you can see here. But let me take you a bit northeast here, because it's the northeastern region of Nigeria that is no stranger to attacks of this kind. And they've been largely carried out by the Boko Haram group. Now, the Boko Haram group has its headquarters in the Maiduguri area of Borno State. Now, let me bring you more on Boko Haram, specifically with what we call a graphics explainer here. Well, we're trying to still connect to my colleague there in BBC Abuja, but whilst we're trying to do that, let me speak to Aliyu Tanko from the BBC's House of Service. I was asking Mohammed there in Abuja about what exactly this happened. Just describe what happened during rush hour.
Well, during rush hour this morning around 7 GMT, two large blasts occurred in Nyanya bus station, killing at least 71 people and 130-something people injured, and about 40 buses were affected in this blast. And this blast made a huge hole inside that bus station. And another thing is, Nyanya might be targeted because it's very crowded, densely populated, so for maximum impact, possibly that is why it was attacked. And this is the largest and the worst attack in Abuja since the Boko Haram activities started in Nigeria.
Now, you mentioned Boko Haram, but they haven't come out outrightly and actually said that they are responsible for this attack. What more do we know? Well,
Boko Haram typically don't come out a day or hours after any attack to say they carried out any attack. They leave it until some days later. They come out with some video to say they carried out the attack. And even President Goodluck Jonathan blamed the attack on Boko Haram. So, and looking at the magnitude of it and looking at the scale of killings, one can rightly put his fingers on Boko Haram, because they have been doing it and they have vowed not to stop killing Nigerians.
So is the anger therefore directed towards Boko Haram or towards the government or any other party here?
Well, two things. One, if you look at the social media tool, the Twitter and Facebook, what people are saying is Nigerian government is not doing enough to contain this group, to make them, you know, to disarm them, to make them stop killing innocent Nigerians. They have been killing hundreds of Nigerians in northeastern Nigeria, over 1,500 this year alone. But now they are moving towards the seat of power, Abuja. Weeks ago, we heard that there was attempted jailbreak in the State Security Office, which is very close to the seat of power, the presidential palace, and that one was foiled. Now nobody knew how they carried out this attack, what they intended to do, if it's a suicide bomb, if the bombs were put inside a bus or something like that.
So lots of question marks there, many questions still to be answered. Aliyu from the BBC House, so thanks for your time. And of course,